Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and use NFC on iPhone. So basically, what you are going to do in order to make this work is ensure that you have added your cards on your iPhone. So what you're going to do is head over to the wallet section, go ahead and open the wallet right here, and then tap the plus sign right here. Basically, what's going to do is that it's going to look for, or it's going to attempt to add your credit cards, debit cards into your iPhone. So if you go over to your applications, you can go ahead and find an option there that says add to wallet. That is very important. Now, once you're done with that one, you can head over to the NFC. I want you to go ahead and look for the shortcuts. And then from here, what you're going to do is click the plus sign right here and then scroll down until you see NFC. Click that one and then go ahead and click the scan right here. And then what you're going to do is start scanning now, and you should be able to use this one. And again, everybody, that's how you're going to turn on and use your NFC on iPhone.